everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make rainbow text on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project, add the video that you want to edit, and then after this, you just click on the text at the bottom, and then click add text and use the text that you want to, and then write the text, maybe a rainbow text like this. And then after this, you just click on the font. You can choose the font that you want, click on the font, and then choose the font that you want. I wanna this one, bunch, like this. And then after this, you just click on the effect, and then in here you just click and at the menu you just click on the multicolor, this one. In here you can see a mini rainbow text on CapCut. You can choose everything you like, maybe this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. You can choose everything. You can choose the rainbow that you want, and then after this you just click check icon in here and set the text until the end of the video or that you want and finish. So that's how to make a rainbow text on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.